Are you looking for the next big stock that could potentially make you a fortune in 2025? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 10 stocks that could outperform the market and set you up for financial success. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these stocks could be your ticket to a profitable future. Stick around because you won't want to miss out on these golden opportunities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and insights to grow your wealth. Now, we all know how crucial it is to pick the right stocks if we want to build a strong financial future. But with so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming, right? Well, you're in luck. Today, I've done all the research for you, and I'm bringing you a list of the top 10 stocks to buy in 2025. These are the stocks that could give you massive returns in the near future. Let's get started. Before we dive into the picks, let's quickly talk about why 2025 could be a game-changing year for investors. We're seeing major shifts in the global economy, from advancements in technology to new trends in energy, healthcare, and even artificial intelligence. These industries are poised for massive growth, and the companies leading the charge could see their stock prices skyrocket. Now, let's take a look at the top 10 stocks you should consider adding to your portfolio. Apple Inc. Apple has always been a strong performer, and it continues to innovate with products like the Apple Vision Pro and their growing focus on AI. As we approach 2025, Apple's expansion into new markets and their solid cash flow makes it a safe yet highly profitable choice for long-term investors. Tesla Inc. Tesla's stock is all about growth potential. With the EV market expected to explode in the coming years, Tesla is not just leading the charge in electric vehicles. They're also heavily involved in energy storage and self-driving technology. In 2025, we could see even more demand for their products, pushing the stock even higher. Microsoft's dominance in cloud computing with Azure and its ongoing investments in AI could make it one of the biggest winners in 2025. If you're looking for stability with growth potential, Microsoft is a top pick. Nvidia. With the rise of AI and gaming, Nvidia is in the perfect position to benefit. The company is the leader in graphics processing units (GPUs), essential for everything from gaming to machine learning. As AI and gaming grow, so will Nvidia's stock. Alphabet Inc. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is not just about search. Their investments in AI, autonomous vehicles, and cloud services will continue to drive growth in 2025. It's a solid long-term play. Amazon continues to dominate e-commerce, but what many people overlook, it's rapidly expanding cloud services through Amazon Web Services, AWS. As more businesses move to the cloud, Amazon's profitability will keep climbing. Meta Platforms. Meta is transforming itself into a major player in the metaverse and virtual reality space. The company's heavy investments in these technologies could pay off big in 2025 and beyond, especially as more consumers embrace digital experiences. Palantir Technologies. Palantir specializes in big data and analytics, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. As more companies rely on data analytics to stay ahead, Palantir is set to benefit. This stock is one to keep an eye on as demand for data solutions skyrockets. Adobe. Adobe's software is used by millions of creators worldwide, from designers to marketers. With the shift toward digital content creation and marketing, Adobe's growth trajectory looks strong heading into 2025, especially with the rise of AI-driven creative tools. Visa. As the world shifts to a more cashless society, Visa remains at the center of it all. With its strong global presence and continuous innovation in payment solutions, Visa is positioned for strong growth over the next few years. So, why did I choose these stocks? It's all about future-proofing your portfolio. These companies are leaders in their respective industries, with clear growth drivers that are set to keep them ahead of the curve. Whether it's advancements in technology, global trends, or new markets. These stocks are built to thrive in the coming years. Now, investing in stocks isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to remember to diversify your portfolio, do your own research, and, most importantly, stay patient. Stock prices can fluctuate, but if you believe in the fundamentals of a company, holding long-term will often lead to great rewards. And don't forget to keep an eye on market trends in 2025. Alright, that's a wrap on the top 10 stocks to buy in 2025. What do you think about the list? Are you already investing in any of these? Or are you planning to? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. For more tips and stock insights, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!